beautiful, thick, nice business cards.
I won't be put in a box. Nobody telling me what I should rock. Nobody telling me what I should drop. Cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring. I'm pouring my soul into every story.
What it is, what it ain't, what it should be. It's Biffy. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to make business cards from scratch. Let's get into it. Okay, so first thing first, we're going to end up on Canva. This right there. Okay, so we're going to go to business card. I already have one open, so we're going to go, this is the business card section. Okay, let's look at what I've already made for my business card. So boom, this is one that I made. It needs to fill this whole spot. So this is my business card, and then a QR code. So if you guys are curious how to make QR code, we're going to find out how to do that right now. We go to this link right here, which I'm going to put down into the description. So I went into my YouTube channel, or you can do your website, whatever it is. You will click on the URL, like that. Then you will be copying and pasting in there, and then they will generate you a QR code. Once you have that, you'll click download, take that download, go back to Canva, and boom, place your QR code on your business card. And with that, you can just, if you don't know what a QR code is, you would take your phone, you scan it, and then a little pop-up notification thing will come up at the top of your screen. You'll click that and it sends you right to my YouTube channel, and boom, you'll click subscribe. Okay, so into business card. So let's delete this one. Boom. So what I start with is background. This one's cute. This one's cuter. So ooh, that's nice. Let's go with this rose gold one. I already have some of my images uploaded, so I'm gonna go with this. Okay, I'm going with my logo, resize that, put that in there. Okay, the QR code we're gonna put right here, slightly lower. And then I'm picking YouTube as the thing I'm advertising. So I'm going to click this and add that on the side. Have it matching this size. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can hear these birds at my window, but they're going crazy right now. Okay, let's center everything. Okay, I'm liking that. And then next we're going to do a text. For mine, we look at mine, I have like a glowiness behind mine. And for that, we'll be clicking the ones that's already pre-made. I do not like green, so we're going to get rid of that. And what color I want? I guess we can go with that one. And then you'll type in your business name or YouTube channel, whatever you are trying to advertise. So for me, I'm going to type in my YouTube channel name, and this is massive. So we're going to bring the size down. We're going to bring the size down and also make it wider. There we go. Click away. Hello. Thank you. There we go. Let's center. Are you center? I keep passing it. Okay. So I added my channel name at the top. And then for me, since I'm promoting YouTube channel, I'm going to, what else I want to add? Let's go to photos. Boom. Subscribe. Hello. Nope, I don't want this one. I want this one. Ooh, fancy with it. Okay, let's bring that down. Boom. Is that centered? There we are. I'm gonna make it slightly smaller. Okay. I think that looks dope. So let's take a look at my other one. This is what this one looked like. Let's send this back. Hello, how do we send you back? Send you back. There we go. Okay. So obviously I took way more time with this one. I added bells and matched colors and stuff, but the one I showed you is just an example. You can do whatever you want to it, do whatever color. You obviously do not have to just do YouTube. You can do your own website, have a QR code for it and the name for it, and you can also put in the website. QR code is the website. It will send you right to your actual link. I'm gonna get rid of that, and this is what we have right here. Make sure everything is level, and we're done. That was fast. So next thing we're gonna do is I'm going to show you the cutting process, and then we'll be done. Alright, so we're gonna get into the cutting process now. So the paper I used is this one, and it's from Michaels. It is the 100-pound. So the thickness for this is pretty thick. Let's do the test. How much it bends. Yes. So it's a nice thickness to it. So if you're lucky enough to be able to get the 110-pound, which I had to return because it jammed my printer and I cannot do it. I have to do just the 100-pound, which is the one I'm going to be cutting out now. So yes, this is the different design. This is not the design we did together. This is the business card design that I made for my channel. So what you're going to need is a cutter, unless you trust yourself to cut it out completely straight with your scissors by hand, which I do not. And this is much faster. So what I'm going to do, place this in here, bring it on this side. This has a straight edge, so I can make sure that it's going to be perfectly squared. Okay, and then let me do it. You check twice, cut once. That's the rule. Boom. Got that out. First row. I think you can literally tell the thickness of this card. It's pretty. And this sheet, it comes by sheets at Michaels. It is 45 cents a sheet, and I can get a total of 10 cards on each sheet. So you'll be paying 45 cents every 10 cards. So now we're getting into cutting the individual cards out. This is when you really get to see your business card come to life. Great, we got the first 5 cut out. The first 5 done, and then you have another 5 to cut out. Well, I know this paper cutting tool can be kind of expensive at times, but I looked out and got this blue one from Tuesday Morning. And then I found a pink one that literally was the same brand. The brand for this is American Crafts. And I found a pink one at Ross, and it was like $6, and I think it was $5.99. And I believe that was the price, or around the price that it was at Tuesday Mornings. And the last card, we're getting ready to cut it out now. And we're done. So we just got 10 business cards. Boom. That's not 10 though. There we go. Nice. Upside down. You probably could even scan the QR code right now if you wanted to. But yeah, nice thick business card. Yeah, this is a thick business card. If you're lucky enough and have a printer that can print out a 110, you're really gonna have a thick business card. And you will save money if you're actually able to do that, because it comes in a pack versus buying the individual for 45 cents. But either way, you'll get beautiful, thick, nice business cards. And we're gonna go wrap it up now. We did it. This is how you make some business cards. Pretty simple process. We even learned how to make a QR code. Yes, we're getting efficient with it. Literally just scan it, send it to the website. Let me just show you. Okay, run my camera. Okay, we're scanning that. You see this popped up? Clicking it. Oh, look at that. We're on my YouTube channel. And obviously, because it's my YouTube channel, I can't click subscribe, but you can. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. The like if you learned something. If you enjoyed the video. If you like seeing my face. Yeah. Subscribe for more videos, tutorials, DIY, all that good jazz. And I'll see you in the next one.